Good morning to all of you. Now we discuss about video lecture number 7, part 2nd. In this video, we discuss about circular flow of income in two-sector economy. Circular flow of income refers to the unending flow of the activities of production, income generation, and expenditure involving different sectors of the economy. The producers and the households in particulars. So, the main point of circular flow of income in two sectors means circular flow of income refers to the unending flow of the activities of production, income generation, and expenditure involving different sectors of the economy. The producers and the households in particulars. Now, in a diagram of circular flow of income in two-sector economy, one side of producers, that is firm sectors, another side of household sectors. In this diagram, upper side explain money flows and lower side explain real flow. So, producer sectors to household sectors, that is factor payments, rent, interest, wages, and profit, and household sector to producer sector, that is factor service mainly land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. Now, lower side of the diagram, household sector to producer sectors, that is consumption expenditure, and producer sector to household sector, that is goods and services. In the above diagram, according to the diagram, point number 1, total production of goods and service by producer sector is equal to total consumption of goods and service by household sectors. In point number 2, factor payments by firms is equal to the factor incomes of household sectors. And last point, point number 3, consumption expenditure of household sectors is equal to income of household sectors. Now, video lecture number 7, part 1st and part 2nd assignments are given. Question number 1, ... refers to the flow of money across different sectors of the economy. Money flows / real flows. Question number 2, define real flow. Question number 3, define money flow. Question number 4, explain circular flow of income in two-sector economy. Thank you.